Hey guys, so we're back today. We're not reviewing any one specific product today. We're not doing any sort of tutorial. Well, it's a tutorial, but really I'm just sitting down and using some makeup that is new or new to me. So they might not necessarily be like new launches, but they're my first time trying them. And we'll just chit chat and do some makeup. This is the Peach and Lily primer. This is one of my favorite primers to use because it's almost like a lotion for your skin, but it does lay down really nicely under makeup, and it just gives you like a nice plump base. So this foundation, this is a Chanel Ultra Latent. I'm just gonna assume that's how you say it. This is a product that's new to me, so it's not new. I did a review on this a little while ago, so if you haven't seen it, go check it out. But I have been reaching for this foundation a lot lately. I actually really enjoy this foundation. She does have a bit of a scent to her. I don't think I mentioned that in my tutorial, but she does have some fragrance. So if you are like super sensitive to fragrance, I would stay away. Another product that is new to me but is like super old, this is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. As we can see, I've been loving her. The shade I use is Hazelnut 148. I actually used to work for L'Oreal for about a year, and this was always like our top seller, and I see why. It's such a good formula. The only thing that I do not like about this is the applicator. I usually don't share my sponges with you guys that much because I'm usually always using the same one. This one is by the company Thrive. She's a little stained because I didn't clean her right away, but I do plan on getting more of these. You see how nicely that blends out? Like, I barely did anything. This is the Lip Bar concealer. This is their new Quick Conceal concealer in the shade Cinnamon. I really like this concealer. The one thing I do like about it is like it's really easy to shade match. If you are interested in trying the lip bar, I have a discount code if you click the drop down below, or it should pop up on the screen somewhere here. And you can get some money off of your first purchase. So to fill my brows, I used Ardell's Brow Levity. Yes, Brow Levity. That's it. Brow pencil in dark brown. This is one of my favorite brow pencils because it's so skinny. I really like a skinny brow pencil. And then to set her in place, I used their new Artist Brow. It's their fill and set gel. Ardell, we have quite a few Ardell beauty products to use here today, and Ardell beauty is just kind of slept on as a whole, I would say. Now we have Ardell's Limitless Enhancer for your brows. Right there, she's right. We have 3 of their new City of Angels eyeshadow palettes. This is what they all look like. This is the Beverly Hills palette. This shade right here, I didn't think it was gonna have that much pigment in it, but just that one swipe, I could tell like there's a lot of pigment in there. I'm gonna go in and keep this like kind of like really monotone and go in with that all over my lid. They came out with this new Ardell Beauty did came out with this dynamic duo eyeliner. So on one side you have, I want to say it's called Kajal eyeliner like this, and then on the other side you have an ink eyeliner. So I want to start off with this one, the side, to really like smudge it out. Boom. This is the Coco Naughty powder bronzer from Fenty Beauty. I haven't tried a lot of Fenty Beauty's like new products lately. I'm probably gonna pick some up soon. This is the Black Radiance, their new True Complexion Luminous Glow Palettes. They sent me all of these, but this is my favorite one. This one is called Highlight of Your Life, and I love it so much because I mix these two together for a blush. The way I've been applying my blush lately, it's kind of all due to like an Instagram filter on stories that gives me a lot of blush right here, and I was like, I should do that in real life. So if you see filters that you really like, try to like mimic what they're doing. These are some of their lip pencils. When I tell y'all, these are the best lip pencils I've used like ever. The only thing I wish is that they had one that was like really dark brown like this, because then these are the only lip pencils I use. You see how big this pencil is? You could use this as just like a lip color if you wanted to. I'm gonna show you. We're still going for a nudie lip, but it's gonna be a little bit like, it's not gonna have as much pink as my nude lips usually have. And then my favorite thing, y'all, they have brushes on the ends. They have brushes on the ends of all of these lip liners. They have a new lipstick called their 90s Nude Full Force, and this is the shade Fly Girl. Just focusing that right in the center. And then I am using their new Fall Scented Gloss. This is in Pumpkin Spice Latte. And that's our look, y'all. That's it. Like, this is all new makeup, or new to me. Right, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.